what's up guys? So today for the first time we'll be doing the speed test of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. This is the cheapest 5G phone here in the UK and it's going to compete against the likes of OnePlus and other phones in this price range. It's actually a little bit cheaper than the OnePlus 70 Pro at the moment with very similar specification as well. So I thought why not do a speed test comparison against the OnePlus 70 Pro. Also guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway for the iPhone 11 Pro. Tomorrow is the day when I announce the winners, so October 20th is here, and yeah, best of luck and be sure to follow all the rules. As always, I'm gonna boot up both phones at the same time. Here we go, and the A90 5G logo comes up first. We've got the Android 10 on the OnePlus 70 Pro versus Android 9.0 Pie on the Galaxy A90 5G. Snapdragon 855 here versus 855 Plus. So you can see despite having a Qualcomm chip, Samsung device still boots up faster than the OnePlus. It probably has to do something with the Android 10 maybe. But yeah, boot up goes to the Galaxy A90 5G. So both phones are rocking beautiful bright displays. Obviously a more bezel-less design with the OnePlus 70 Pro. As always, we'll start off with the basic stuff first, starting with phone dialer. And that felt a little bit quicker on the 70 Pro. Settings, and that is almost the same. I think the A90 5G was tiny bit quicker there. Again, you guys are the judge. We're just gonna get right into some third-party applications, starting with Spotify, and I felt about the same. Plants vs Zombies 2, we have our first game loading up, and it's definitely quicker on the OnePlus 70 Pro. Next on the list is Subway Surfers, my favorite game to check out in the speed test, and that is once again quicker on the 70 Pro. You can see not a huge difference. Obviously Snapdragon 855 Plus versus Snapdragon 855, we're seeing some few gains here of speed with this one. But the thing to remember is that this is a 5G phone out of the box. This is still a 4G phone. If you want to go with the 5G OnePlus, you have to pay more for that. So anyways, we're going to go right into another game, which is Call of Duty Mobile. And let's see which one takes the lead here. By the way, we have 6 gigs of RAM on the Galaxy A90 5G versus the 8 gigs of RAM on the 70 Pro, so a bit of edge here, and you can see it is done, whereas A90 5G is also done. So again, about 2-3 second differences there. Instagram, and that felt maybe a little bit quicker on this one with the latest feed. We just scroll around, very smooth look on both phones. Gotta say, no difference there at all. Obviously, this one feels more buttery because of its 90 Hz display. That is just really insane feature to have. Checking out my profile, about the same on both phones. Launching the Instagram camera, okay, about the same. One more time. Yeah, that's really similar on both phones. Reddit, quicker on the OnePlus 70 Pro. Oh, so you can see that if you open the app and you start scrolling instantly, you don't get that 90 Hz madness or fluidity instantly, so you have to wait for it to actually load everything. Quora, and felt a little bit quicker here on the 70 Pro. Once again, the GTA San Andreas, and you can see the 70 Pro just faster when it comes to opening of the app, just like launching the app, it goes into that quicker than the Samsung A90 5G. We're just gonna start this game at the same time. Wow, so that was the difference of the loading time for this game. 70 Pro, little bit quicker, again, higher clock speed for that 855 plus GPU. I mean, I have to say Samsung has done a great job. This is definitely the most powerful Galaxy A phone ever made, and I hope to see more Galaxy A phones with flagship chips in the year that is coming pretty soon. Let's get down to Play Store. felt again a little bit quicker on the 7T Pro. Time to open cameras at the same time, and that's definitely quicker on the A90 5G. Next we have Photoshop Express, and that is again a little bit quicker on the 7T Pro. As always, I'm just gonna get right into this 8K image and quickly see the rendering speed, setting the clarity to 100%. Same thing with the sharpness. Let's apply some effects as well, and dehazing to the max as well. Alright, both phones are ready to export this image at 100% quality. Let's go at the same time, and again, same GPU. A little bit higher clock there. Wow, that is at the same time the Snapdragon 855 and 855 Plus, no difference when it comes to 8K image rendering. Now, time for the browser war. First website we have is apple.com, and that is definitely quicker on the 7T Pro. Let's see the scrolling speed once again, really quick. No difference there. Let's just try out this link. And that is also about the same. Just a few years ago, I couldn't imagine a Samsung mid-range phone competing with a OnePlus flagship neck and neck. Samsung is definitely changing their ways of doing things, which is nice. WWE.com, that is about the same on both of these two devices. Once again, scrolling smooth look. Okay, time for the RAM management. This is where OnePlus is struggling a little bit. I mean, this phone is not known for this, but with my previous test, it wasn't perfect. About 2 or 3 refreshes. Let's see how these phones will go against each other. Phone dialer still there. Settings. Spotify. Plants vs. Zombies 2. So far so good. Both phones are keeping everything in the memory. Going to Subway Surfers. And that's where we have the refresh with the A90 5G. Checking out Call of Duty, and that got refreshed on the A90 5G as well. 2 refreshes in total for the A90 5G. Instagram, and going back to Reddit, that's still there. Quora, I think that's also got refreshed on the A90 5G. Let's see, GTA San Andreas, okay, that is still there, and that's also there on the OnePlus phone. So not completely bad RAM management, is still keeping some stuff in the memory. Play Store still there on both phones. Photoshop Express, and that got refreshed. And last but not the least, we are back into the browser. So that is still there. I have to say a couple of refreshes on the A90 5G. Out of like 10-12 apps, we have like 3-4 refreshes for this phone. Considering it's a 5G phone, I think Samsung should have went with a higher RAM memory for this device. Whereas the OnePlus 7T Pro performed really good compared to my last test. There were almost no refreshes, actually no refresh at all on this phone, which is pretty good. So it scored a perfect RAM management score against the A90 5G, all thanks to me disabling the gaming mode on this phone. I actually went into settings and force-stopped that application, and I also disabled its ability to modify the system settings, and honestly that has improved the RAM management. That's something I'm going to do on every OnePlus phone in every future speed test video. So the A90 5G on the other hand on the other hand performed overall very close to the 7T Pro. It's just a RAM management thingy. Obviously we'll get Android 10 update as well. We'll see a lot of improvements in performance. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to enter my iPhone 11 Pro giveaway, which is currently still live on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.